Have you ever felt like you're aging faster than you should? Take a second and check in with how you actually feel. We're living the most comfortable lives in history, yet our minds run on empty. This isn't ordinary tiredness. Your body is quietly stuck in survival mode. But here's the real question. What if your fading energy has nothing to do with bad genes? People credit Japanese longevity to good genetics or an easy life. That's wrong. Japan runs on a brutal culture of overwork, so extreme it has a word for death by overwork. And yet, sitting right beside all that stress is a quiet system. Simple daily routines that keep the mind and body from breaking down. So understand this. You're not struggling because you're lazy. You're struggling because your environment is training you to fail. Today we're breaking down 7 hidden Japanese habits. Watch for the 4th. It takes 3 minutes and changes how your body handles stress. Let's get into it. 1. Why your room is draining you. Most people treat cleaning like punishment. In Japan, it's a daily anchor taught from childhood. Here's the mechanism. Visual clutter runs in the background of your mind like a dozen open tabs, sending a low signal of panic that says you're not in control. When you give 10 minutes a day to your space, you prove to your brain that you command your world. You signal safety and pull your mind out of survival mode. You can't organize your mind while your room is chaos. 2. Why you wake up exhausted after 8 hours. The next target is your internal clock. In old Japan, villagers faced the rising sun each morning and soaked in the light. The biology still holds. Today we wake in the dark, jolted by an alarm, and stare straight into blue screen light. That triggers an unnatural spike of stress hormones, and you start the day in quiet panic. Get natural sunlight in your eyes within the first hour, and you force your clock to reset. That light tells your body what time it is, smooths your stress, and sets up deep sleep tonight, before the day even begins. 3. Real energy without coffee. We pour in coffee just to force our eyes open, triggering a low fight-or-flight response until it all collapses at 2 p.m. The smarter fuel is matcha. Regular tea is flavored water. You throw the leaf away. Matcha grinds the whole leaf into powder, so you take in the full dose of antioxidants and nutrients. Its real power is a natural compound that calms the brain. Combined with caffeine, it creates calm alertness. Your body relaxes while your focus sharpens. Deep focus, no crash, no panic. 4. Do this if you sit all day. 3 minutes. Sitting still is the silent killer of the modern worker. 10 hours in a chair leaves you stiff and fragile. Since 1928, Japan has broadcast a daily radio exercise routine lasting exactly 3 minutes and 13 seconds, blending light cardio with stretching. Everyone does it, from kids to grandparents. In the West, we're poisoned by all-or-nothing fitness. We think health demands a 2-hour gym grind, so we do nothing. Chasing perfection is a trap. 3 minutes of intentional movement lubricates your joints, wakes your heart, and tells your brain the body is still in use. 5. Why your food might be making you sad. Food isn't just fuel. It's the raw material your body uses to rebuild your brain while you sleep. Traditional Japanese meals follow 1 soup and 3 small sides, which automatically balances carbs, protein, and vegetables. You can't overload on junk because the layout won't let you. The hidden key is fermented food like miso and pickles. The bacteria in your gut produce most of your feel-good chemicals. Eating fermented food daily builds a healthy gut, engineering a steady mood and clearing brain fog. 6. The free antidepressant you ignore. Japan is a land of mountains, and walking them stays a habit into old age. Your legs and hips are the foundation of your independence. When leg muscles shrink from sitting, your brain senses your balance slipping and quietly makes you want to move even less, starting an aging spiral. When the legs go, the mind follows. Walking keeps your bones dense, and there's a mental bonus. When objects slide past your vision, forward motion switches off your brain's panic center. It's a powerful mood booster that costs nothing. 7. Why your showers aren't relaxing. Your body needs real recovery. We take fast showers and collapse into bed with muscles so tight we never recover. In Japan, a slow daily bath is non-negotiable. The heat releases held tension. The water pressure flushes waste from tired tissue, and floating lifts gravity off your spine for the first time in 16 hours. That relief tells your brain to switch off survival mode and switch on repair. You shower to get clean. They bathe to repair the machine. The final step: stop relying on motivation. These 7 aren't cultural trivia. They're engineered systems that protect the mind and body from modern exhaustion. Our pain comes from having no systems. We lean on willpower, and willpower runs out exactly when you're tired. Depend on motivation, and you fail. Depend on a system, and you endure. Don't overhaul everything tomorrow. Pick one. Clean your space for 10 minutes. Step into sunlight before you touch a screen. Stretch for 3 minutes. Build your system slowly, because right now your environment is deciding how you feel. Take control of it. If you refuse to spend your life in survival mode, subscribe to Mind Companion. Every week, we break down the hidden psychology of everyday life to help you build an unbreakable mind. Build your system. Until next time.